How to share screen on Google Meet. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and today I will show you how you can share your screen on Google Meet. So to know how you can do that, first of all, go on the Google Play Store of your phone. After going on the Google Play Store on your phone, on the top search bar, you can simply search for Google Meet and then you can simply open it. If there is any update option available, then you can also update your Google Meet. But I've already installed my Google Meet, so I will simply open it. So after going to the Google Meet and joining any meeting, either that is via someone shared link or some new meeting that you started, you can simply open your Google Meet as you do. On the down right side, you will see there are 3 vertical dots right here. Tap on that and they will see the menu option and also see the option of share screen. When you tap on this option, your screen will be shared on the Google Meet. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on our video. Thank you.